Okay, good afternoon, students. It's me, Saroj Sah, and today I am going to teach you one of the item of grammar, that is transformation. You might have read in class 6, 7 about transformation. Transformation. It is also called the conversion of sentence. The conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence, or we can say it is the process of changing one sentence form into another sentence form. So that's why we can define it as changing one sentence form into another sentence form. So in this transformation we will deal with the major activity just like changing sentence from affirmative sentence into negative, affirmative sentence into interrogative, or negative interrogative. So there are majorly four is form of sentence, as number one is affirmative sentence, Similarly, second we have negative sentence, and the third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth one is negative interrogative sentence. Okay, so we will deal here how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Again, how to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. Again, we will deal with how we can form negative interrogative sentence. So in this transformation, there are other also kinds of transformation, just like active into passive, direct speech into indirect speech. But here we will only talk about affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. So to deal with this topic, transformation, we must have knowledge about verbs. Verb को बारे में knowledge होना आवश्यक है. What is verb? So it's a very common term, very familiar term. What is verb? Why I am talking about verb? Because we must know about verb, or we should have knowledge about verb before dealing with transformation. That's why I am talking about verb here. So verb means what? Generally we say verb is an action word. Verb is an action word, or the word that shows an action is called verb. And we know that verb is mainly divided into two parts, or there are mainly two types of verbs. One is main verb, we say main verb, and another one we say is auxiliary verb. AUXILIARY, auxiliary verb. Main verb and auxiliary verb. Mainly there are two types of verbs, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. Again, main verbs are divided into different parts, just like regular verbs and irregular verbs. Yes. Auxiliary verb is again divided into different parts. For example, we can say, let's see, auxiliary verb is again divided into mainly four parts. That is, the first one is be verb, Under be verb, what comes here? Be verb, here comes H, N, R, what, and where. H, N, R, what, where are called be verb. Similarly, we have do verb. Do verb. Okay? Do verb. What comes here? Do, does, did. Do, does, and did. These are called do verb. Again we have verb. Here come has, have, and had. Had. Three terms happening. And then we have left last one, that is modal verb. Okay, modal verb. Modal verb. So there are how many modal verbs? 1, 2, sorry, how many auxiliary verbs? 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now here we will have 13 modal verbs, and they are may, might, can, could, shall, should. May, might, can, could, shall, should. Again, will, would, must, need to, used to, dare. Yes, must, need to, used to, dare. And what is missing? What is that? Yes, out to. So how many modal verbs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 modal verbs, 3 have verbs, and 3 do verbs, and again 5 be verbs. In this way, auxiliary verb is categorized into 4 different parts. And here in main verb, what comes here? Regular verb and irregular verb. Okay? Again, main verb is also divided into 2 parts or 2 categories. That is regular verb and irregular verb. Irregular verb. What is called regular verb? For example, let's see, play, played, yes, again played, yeah, playing, and plays. If a verb forms its or changes its form in this way, then it is regular verb. But in irregular verb, just like go, went, everything is changed into verb 2. Look at gone, going, and got. Go, went, gone, going, and goes. So now here the forms are changed totally in different way. But here actually the root verbs of the forms are matched with another verb 2, verb 3, another verb 4, and verb 5. So that is the difference between regular verb and irregular verb. Here only what we need to understand is that how this auxiliary verb and how main verb works in changing affirmative sentence into negative sentence, or affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence, how it changes its forms, how the sentence changes it. Okay? So now I will go to rules how we can change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Okay? So I am drawing this one. Let me draw this. Okay? Affirmative sentence has a formula. Okay? Subject plus verb plus object. Okay, let's go in this way. Let's go in this way. Sentence that carries auxiliary verb. How we change that auxiliary verb? Sentence with auxiliary verb. Sentence with auxiliary. Sentence with auxiliary verb. The structure is subject plus auxiliary plus other words. Other words. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Sentence with auxiliary verb. Okay. So let's go with example now. What is the? Can you give an example? Example. Okay. Subject A, age, auxiliary verb age, a teacher. He is a teacher. This is affirmative sentence. Okay. Affirmative sentence. Now, what is the structure of negative sentence then? Negative. Subject plus auxiliary plus not plus other words. Other words. So let's change this sentence into negative. Okay? He, subject he, auxiliary age. Now where is not? So we'll put here not. Other words, a teacher. Here also a teacher. In this way, sentence that have auxiliary verb is changed into negative sentence. We simply put not after auxiliary verbs. Okay? When there is auxiliary verb in a sentence, we simply put not. Look here. When there is auxiliary verb in a sentence, we simply put not after the auxiliary. यो auxiliary पछाडी के गर्नु ठ्याक्कै not थपेर यसलाई नेगेटिभ बनाउन सकिन्छ. If there is auxiliary verb there only. auxiliary verb छ भने ठ्याक्कै त्यसको पछाडी not थप्ने अनि अरु चाहिँ के गर्ने त साथ दिने. Negative sentence बन्छ. Okay? In this way, another structure we have subject plus auxiliary plus V4 or verb 4 plus other words. This is affirmative sentence. Now, to make it negative, we have structure subject plus auxiliary plus not plus V4 plus other words. Okay? Other words. Let's go through the example. He is riding a bicycle. Okay? This is affirmative sentence. He is now subject he, auxiliary is not. Again verb for riding a bicycle. In this way, when there is auxiliary verb in a sentence, we simply put not after the auxiliary verb and we make negative sentence. We can change into